You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. Before we proceed with the video, guys, please, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button because it is absolutely crazy on this channel. We do loads of tech videos, we do loads of car videos. Yeah, the content is just everywhere at the moment. Anyway, guys, like I said, subscribe and also turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video. Also, drop the video a like because the YouTube algorithm right now is absolutely going nuts, and for me to be able to put my videos out there, you have to like the video, and if you want me to have more subscribers, you have to like the video and you have to comment as well. So yeah, the algorithm's got to do its thing, you know what I mean, man? You got to like the yada yada, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, today for you guys again, we're giving you guys 7 good reasons why you should go ahead and pick yourself up the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I haven't really covered this phone in loads of videos, so I need to make more videos because the more I live with this thing every single freaking day, the more I fall in love with it. Absolutely awesome device. Literally is I can't even explain or describe how good this device is. This is why you guys need to get one. If you have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, I know it's a freaking sick phone with a 108 megapixel camera, yeah, but you know what, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to upgrade and get this because it's a freaking beast, especially for like multitasking or like anything like that. It's just an absolute beast. But yeah, anyway, let's get straight right into it. So the first feature of this device I love, and the reason why you should get it, is the foldable capabilities. Boy, the folding capability on this one is just beyond anything. I mean, it's a bit of a hard one, you know. If I was to rate the folding capabilities with the the Z Flip 3, I mean, for productivity side of things, obviously I'm gonna vote this one. But for kind of everyday run and gun kind of usability of a smartphone to look like a smartphone, then the Z Flip 3. But obviously, I don't know. The phones are very different and they're for a lot of different type of people. But yeah, I'm loving this right now. What I mainly use this to do is when I come back home from work and I'm in bed chilling or I'm on the couch chilling, I just put my S21 Ultra to the side and just jump on this bad boy because it's just that good experience. It's immersive, the screen, everything is just absolutely awesome. I can just open it and just watch TikTok videos literally all night and forget what the time is. I can watch Facebook videos, YouTube videos. I could even watch films on this because the screen is absolutely awesome and it's big enough for that. So moving right along is the main screen selfie camera on this device. A lot of people probably haven't even noticed that this thing has a selfie camera on the display when you open the device. Literally, I've just recently found this out. I didn't even know it had a camera on the main display, but fortunately the camera is only 4 megapixel sensor, but Samsung say is very good for like video calling or Skype calls or Zoom calls or anything like that. You have to communicate through video with a selfie camera basically, and I think the reason they've done this is because it's a big screen and it's a lot of screen real estate, and you know, Samsung wanted their customers to be able to appreciate that and be able to use it more, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's awesome how they've been able to do that. We've been hearing rumors, we've been hearing leaks, we've been hearing all sorts of things of a company coming up with the idea of having the selfie camera underneath the screen and underneath the display, and Samsung has done it and they've smashed it. Yes, it doesn't have the biggest megapixel count, but at least it's done, and Samsung has done it, and that's just absolutely awesome. But yeah, I think it's an absolutely beautiful thing they've done. Obviously, if you want more quality, then you close the device and you use the 12 megapixel camera at the front there, which is still good. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this camera up front. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I can see it. I think yeah, you guys can see it. You can literally just see it just peeking out there. And the best thing about this is when you're actually using the device, it's not noticeable at all. Literally, it's like the placement of the front facing camera, literally when you've got an app open, it literally just covers the whole screen. It's barely noticeable unless you really look hard for it, then you'll be able to find it. And now the second on my list is, of course, the pricing of this device. This device is actually £100 and £200 or dollars cheaper than the Z Fold 2, which to me is just beyond me. It's absolutely awesome. I mean, it should relatively be the same price or a little bit even more expensive, because obviously this Samsung has had 3 years now to improve on this foldable device, and now they've literally got something that a lot of people are gonna love, and they're selling it cheaper. I mean, that is no brainer. You should go and get it straight away. This is Samsung's third attempt, and boy oh boy, they've really impressed me. I've never really been a fan of any of the foldable phones, but when this came out and I watched the video of what they said about this device, I was like, I am picking that bad boy up. And I have, and ever since, I've absolutely enjoyed this phone. I've absolutely loved it, and literally I'm getting into that phase of kind of just ditching my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and kind of just rocking this daily and taking it to work and stuff like that. But I mean, I can't do that because of the job I do. But if I could, I damn well will, because it's so immersive, and you just feel like you're inside the phone. It's just absolutely awesome. Anyway, moving on to my list is the durability of the screen. So obviously in the past, Samsung hasn't really made the toughest screens for these devices, especially affordable devices. But with this one, they've really worked on the screen and toughed it up even more. They even say, Samsung even says it's 80% more tougher than its previous ones, like the Z Flip series and the Z Fold series, and they've really toughened up the screen, which is absolutely awesome. Which leads me to my next reason why I should get this device as well, is for the S Pen support. Obviously they made the screen a little bit stronger because they wanted to implement the S Pen support on this bad boy as well, so you can use the S Pen to, you know, navigate the phone, do whatever you want, and also like do some sketches and do some handwriting and stuff like that. But yeah, there's a lot of things you can do on this device. It's absolutely awesome. With this big 7.2 or 6-inch display, you can do so much, and I think Samsung wanted to really push the fact that you can do all that stuff on this device by, you know, having the S Pen, you know, making the screen big, you know, giving us multitasking features on there, so you can really, you know, immerse yourself with this device and actually do a lot more than you actually could on a normal 6.7-inch display, which is just absolutely awesome. And now that leads me on to the water resistant on this device. The water resistant rating is IPX8. It's not like normal traditional IP60, 68 or 67 rating, because this is actually not maybe a little bit dust resistant, but it's mainly water resistant. And obviously it all folds and opens, so the water, anything and dust can get inside the crannies and stuff like that. That's why it's IPX8 water resistant rating. You can submerge this into 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. So literally the main thing here is, if you're using the phone one-handed on the sink or anything like that, and you're doing something else with your other hand and you accidentally drop it, you're going to be safe because it's IPX8 water resistant, which is absolutely beautiful from Samsung. The fact they've made it waterproof is just absolutely awesome. So there's no fear anymore. You can literally use the phone without being scared. Screen is so much more tougher than the previous ones. Water resistant. Literally, you can throw anything at this device and it will literally take it. So moving on to the last and seventh reason is the crazy trading promotion thing they're doing on the Samsung website. You can actually pick one of these phones up for way less than what it actually is on their website, which is $1,599 or pounds for the 256 gig and 1,699 for, of course, this 512 gig, which is what I have here. But yeah, you can literally trade in a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and get £600 off this device. Now tell me why that now is not a good reason to pick this phone up. Come on, man. I think what Samsung is trying to do here is trying to get as much people, as much customers to their website, buying these phones, experiencing these foldable phones and these flip phones and stuff like that. And I think that's absolutely huge from Samsung, because they're actually doing the most, trying to, you know, get people to be able to afford these phones. I mean, heck, they even have a freaking plan that you can pretty much finance the phone, PayPal finance or anything like that, and you buy the phone and you play them slowly every single month. It's awesome. Samsung is finding good ways to be able to bring people together and bring people together with their smartphones, and so that we can experience what they have to offer us. I just think it's absolutely awesome. This is why Samsung all day long. And yeah, that is just what it is. I have a Samsung phone. I have several Samsung phones. I have a Samsung gaming monitor, like the 49-inch right behind me. Yeah, everything is Samsung right now. It's absolutely awesome. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, like I said in the beginning of the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, like the video, comment down below. Tell me if you've actually picked yourself up one of these, and tell me if you're planning on picking yourself up one of these, or you're doing researches or anything like that to see if this phone is the right phone for you. And also tell me down in the comment section below if this video has helped you out to kind of decide if you want to pick it up or if you don't want to pick it up. But yeah, guys, like I said, that's it. That's me. That's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and I'll see you guys in my next video, hopefully on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And also, just to little teaser, I'm going to be versing these two together, and the S21 Ultra and the Fold 3, and yeah, going to talk a little bit about how both of them really clash and how different they are. But yeah, anyway, guys, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.